In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in DocuSign. To get started, sign into your DocuSign account and from the main dashboard, click Start. This is where you begin creating a new item to send out for signature. Once the menu opens, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the container that holds your document, recipients, and signing fields. So this is the correct option when you want to prepare a file for someone else to complete. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document to another person and have them review and sign it. After that, upload the document you want to send. You can choose the file from your computer and wait for it to finish loading before moving on. Make sure you're uploading the correct version of the document, since this is the file the recipient will interact with. Once your document is in place, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here, because the attachment field you add later will need to be assigned to the right person. After entering the recipient details, click Next to continue to the document preparation screen. This is where you add the fields the signer will use. On the Fields panel, look for the attachment field and select it. This is the field that allows the recipient to upload a file while completing the envelope. After selecting it, drag the attachment field onto the document and place it wherever you want the recipient to see it. Try to position it near the section that explains what needs to be uploaded, so the instruction feels clear and natural during signing. After placing the field, make sure it is assigned to the correct recipient. This part is important, especially if your envelope includes more than one signer. If the field is assigned incorrectly, the wrong person may be prompted to upload the attachment, which can cause delays or confusion. When everything looks right, click Send to send the envelope. Once the recipient opens the document, they'll be able to complete the signing process and add the requested attachment directly through the attachment field you placed. That's all there is to it. You've now set up a DocuSign envelope that lets a recipient upload an attachment as part of the signing experience. Thanks for watching.